this video, I'm going to share a method so that you can solve your frame drop issue in OBS. So ये वीडियो बनाने का मेरा उद्देश्य ये है कि OBS में जब भी तुम स्ट्रीमिंग करते हो तो तुम्हें फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स का इशू फेस होता है जो कि नेटवर्क इशू है. ओके, सो मेरे लिए ये तरीका वर्क करा है और ये टेस्टेड तरीका है. ठीक है, तो पहला स्टेप है रन OBS थ्रू एडमिन. तो कैसे कर सकते हो? तुम्हें यहाँ जाना है, ये OBS का जैसे तुम्हारा आइकॉन दिख रहा है, राइट क्लिक, शो मोर प्रॉपर्टीज, यहाँ पे चले जाओ, कंपैटिबिलिटी, यहाँ पे रन एज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर टिक कर लो. ठीक है, अप्लाई, ओके. दिस विल ऑलवेज रन योर OBS थ्रू एडमिन. ओके, देन आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, second step is check window defender firewall. Okay, so for this is a very important and crucial step for OBS. It will definitely solve your issue. Okay, so go to your firewall. Okay, if you have Windows 11, okay, allow an app through firewall, check these options. Okay, click on this. You will find like OBS is there for me, as I have already added. For you, you will not find. Okay, so what you need to do, see, I have. Okay, so you need to do change setting, click on change setting, add another app. Okay, go here, browse. Okay, this two. 1 second, I'm cancelling this. Okay, so go here, so more, open file location. Okay, then it will showcase your location file path. Okay, just copy the path. Okay, then allow another app, come here, allow another app, browse, paste here. This will change your location. Okay, and press enter. You will come to this location, click this icon, open. As I have already added, it will not add. Okay, so I am cancelling this. You need to click open. Okay, open. Okay, once it is added, just add. Okay, I am cancelling this. Then if you see, you need to check this once again, like details, network type, this public is set up. Okay, 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 things are added. Okay, you see it. Okay, you need to click on okay. Okay, this will like allow your app through, but you need to also allow an additional thing. You need to advanced rule, go to advanced setting. Okay, once this one will open, okay, come here, go to inbound rules. Okay, you will find OBS. Okay, this green tick will be not available for you. If you see like that, okay, what you need to do, let me show you. This will show like this. Okay, okay, you just need to right click, enable rule. Once you do enable rule, okay, it will green tick. Okay, I'm just disabling right now. Okay, so for this also you need to enable this. Once this step is done, close it, come back, close firewall. Let's come to OBS. Okay, yeah, so in OBS still when you will start, you will still face same issue. Okay, for again you need to check one more thing. Go to setting, then advanced. Okay, before that let me show you how things are. Okay, manage. Oh shit, 1 second. Space. Okay, manage broadcast. Okay, select broadcast. Still you are seeing like when I am streaming, you see red. Okay, this is the frame drop issue. Okay, you will see frame drop, and when it is going on, lots of frame drop will be happening. Okay, stop streaming. I'm stopping. Okay, okay, now again go to setting. Okay, as you see that is red. Okay, After that, you need to come to network option. It is disabled because I'm using a recording. Okay, for you, let me show. Okay, so as I have tested, you see, like I need to stop the recording because that option is not enabled still for me. So after stopping the recording, that network option is now visible to me. Like I can edit it. Okay, so you see there is default. Okay, you need to do Ethernet. Okay, check this one, check this also, check this also, check this also. Apply. Okay, okay, okay. Now test it again. Start streaming, manage broadcast. Okay, again I need to enable it. Okay, it is now enabled now again. Okay, select broadcast, start streaming. If you see here, that is yellow. Okay, it will turn to green. You see it is 30. So speed is now perfect and you are getting. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have come this far, don't miss to like and subscribe. Please give a thumbs up. Thank you.